Alright guys, so today we're working on a head for the Neon. I'm gonna end up shipping this out to get ported, to get it all freshened up for when I go to put it on, because the one that's in there now, it's got some problems with it. It's got some strip threads for the exhaust manifold and some broken bolts in it. So we're gonna get this one all freshened up, ported real nice, so that we can go ahead, throw it together on the car and not have to worry about it. So what I'm doing right now is I'm taking the valve springs out. As you see, these two are done. So that's what it looks like before, after. What I'm doing is I got a 16 mil socket with a little extension. Just set it on top and smack it hard with a hammer. I'll push down real fast, and when it does that, it knocks the retainers out so that you can take it off. Now, if I had a good solid bench with a holder, I'd set you guys down and let you see how I do it, but that I don't have. So I'm gonna try something, see if I can get it to work. But yeah, so let me see if I can do it. And if not, that part will be edited out of this video. But yeah, that's what we are doing. We are taking the valve springs out so that I can drop it off to get machined. So that'll be fun. Alrighty, let's get to it. Alright, we're back now. I got interrupted. Alright, I can't hold it, but you guys get the point. I already got one retainer out. I just gotta get the other one out, and then once I get the valve spring out, I'll be able to find the other retainer. But if I can't, hey, that gives me a reason to upgrade. But alright guys, we'll see you later. Have a good one. Alright guys, well, we got all the valve springs out. I did end up losing the retainers for the last valve spring because it like exploded and shot everywhere. Shot my socket extension all the way over there by the door. So I got the top. I just don't have the little retainer clips that go inside. So I guess we will be upgrading those when it goes back together. And depending on my money situation, we might end up putting cams in it as well, since we got it apart. But until that point in time, I'm not sure. So I will let you know on that. And here shortly, within the next few days, we will get you guys a video on the car of how the car is doing and all of that. Because honestly, it's not doing that well. It breaks up here and there between first and second gear. So I gotta get that figured out. I'm thinking it's the fuel pump, because if I run third all the way to the top and then get out of it without going to fourth, and I just get out of it and coast down, it runs out of fuel and it shuts the car off. So we got a bunch of stuff coming in for it this week. So when it comes in, we'll definitely get you guys a video on that. So yeah, until then guys, stay tuned, and go ahead, like, subscribe, go check out any of my other videos if you haven't already. yeah, that's about it. Oh, I might as well pop the valves out with you guys. So, not that way. Let's go this way. Ooh, that was pretty rusty in there. Oh, where'd my magnet go? Magnet. Oh, right. Yeah, like I said, it shot my shit everywhere. Yeah, we might end up going with all new valves too. Yeah, we might end up doing valves as well. Ooh, that one's stuck. That one's gonna be tapped out. Yeah, definitely need valves. Yeah, well, that's about it, guys. So we will be seeing you guys in a later video sometime soon to get going on this car, get ready for the track. We plan on bracket racing the car, and if anybody in the Michigan area is familiar with UCM, we're going to be going to their opening drag day and racing there as well. So yeah, that's it for this video. You guys go ahead, stay tuned, subscribe, like, comment, share, all the good stuff. We will be getting back to this project soon. Very soon. We need to get the car acting right, get it going good, so that we can win some races and win some money and hurt some people's feelings. But yeah, other than that, have a good day. We will see you guys later. Peace. The water tower says the same thing. I don't know, but all right, guys. We're back today. We're working on the neon again, like normal. Today we are doing a fuel pump. I already started unhooking stuff, but this fuel pump we're putting in, it's a Walbro 450. It's from TI Automotive.
Yeah.
Came with everything, the install kit, new filter, hose, clamps, pigtail, wire connectors, and this other hose. But we're putting this in because we're having a problem with it running out of fuel at the top of third, and then it goes super lean and breaks up in second. So we can't have that. So we're gonna end up throwing this 450 in, It should be plenty enough pump for many of the future plans. And it's E85 capable, so I'll be able to convert this car from 93 to E85. And so that we can be running 85 with less detonation and make more power, so that we got no problems with losing any races anytime soon. And I know somebody's gonna say something about my bald tires, but I'll be ordering more tires soon, within the next 2 weeks. And then we also have another set of wheels that I'm gonna get off my buddy, which also owned this car in the past, because this one is cracked right there, and we can't have that going down the track. And then sometime in the near future, we're going to get new lower control arms. Might get those from DCR, because as you can see, that one's bent and that one's bent, but these back ones are straight like that, and they shouldn't be like that. So they're destroying my tires, and I just can't keep buying tires. So we're gonna be getting those. We're gonna be getting rid of this. It's old, there's probably crap in it, and I ended up crushing it and messing it up right here. So we're gonna be pulling that out today as well, so that it's not under here. And we're gonna be, well, yeah, that's about it for today. So I'm gonna go ahead, get the tank down. I already got everything unhooked here. I just gotta unhook the filler hose and do that one strap, and then it's down. And then we're gonna be pulling the sending unit out of the tank, so that we can install this fresh 450, so that we can be making some good power. And then I do have something else that I got from DCR, or yeah, DCR Racing, that I already installed under the hood. It's a boost leak fix valve that goes in the PCV hose to block the boost from going into there, so that's not pushing 26 pounds of boost into the crankcase and then blowing it out the exhaust and the turbo and all that good stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna end this clip here. Oh, also in a video or clip that you're gonna see before this, I talked about installing a wideband, which is this, that I didn't get a video on, but I should have. But I was running out of time at the shop. But we got that in. So now I seen where I was going to lean at, and we got a fuel pump to fix that. So yeah. Alright guys, we'll see you then in the next clip. Alright, so we're back. I got the fuel canister out after taking a bath in 93. So you need to come over here, grab this, grab that, then come over here, and got that. I got that rubber boot off. Got the canister apart. I already cut the old pump off. Got the new wire spliced on. So now I'm going to see if there's a way for me to get this to go onto that. And the old one had this nipple here with this little rubber boot on it. I think that was on there. I don't know. Maybe. Not sure. But it was in there like that. So, I'm going to, or was it? No, it was in here like this. In there like that. So, I'm gonna see if I can fit this into this. See if I can make it fit. Try to make it work. And then I gotta stick it down in there so that it'll pick up. Might end up popping this filter off because it's filthy and whatnot. And I got this filter here. So I'm gonna see what I can do to make this work. And then I'm gonna bring you guys back and show you guys what I did. So yeah, that's all that. And I also have to heat these up to shrink them down so that they're sealed nice and tight. And I don't have no electrical arc going through the fuel because yeah, we don't want that. So yeah, when I'm done with that, I'll be back with you guys later. All right guys, well, I got it put together. I didn't really record because I didn't have any help videoing, but trust me, it was a pain, literally. I had to make it work. I should have just ended up buying a complete drop-in of it, but I didn't have the money for that, so I got what I got. Since it was 450, it was way bigger than the stock pump, so I had to kind of force it into the canister, but I ended up getting it to work, and it's in there now. So I hope this fixes our problem, but if it don't, I don't know what I'm gonna do. So now we're gonna go put it in the car and see what it does. So let's go. Yeah, I know I didn't take that off or change it, but it'll be all right. So taking it in. Oh, I can't do that yet. I don't know why I did that. I still gotta shrink to it. No. Oh, I gotta go back over here. All right. I'm gonna heat these shrink tubes up and shrink them, and then I'm gonna go put it in. And then I'll see you guys then. All right, guys, I got it back in. I slightly caught it on fire, but it should be all right. Yeah, it's slightly, the canister is slightly burned. I mean, it didn't melt, but it's a little black, but it'll be all right. So yeah, we got this in now. Now I gotta set it back down how it was and wheel it back under the car so that we can get it back up in the car and go test it. So yeah, all right guys, I'll see you when it's back up in the car and we're going for a test drive. Wish me luck. All right guys, it's all in. Now we're gonna try to start it.